I'm also happy. Okay, so with that, let's start. So the objective for today's class is we will be able to compare the needs to survive of different living things around us, right? So basically what does this mean is we have different living things. Like in previous science classes, we saw that how a caterpillar was becoming a butterfly. So it was a kind of animal. Okay, we learned about two types of animals, which were what were those two kind of animals? Swaraj, can you quickly come off mute and tell me what were the two kind of animals that we learned about?
Yes, भैया.
Yes, we learned about two types of animals in previous classes. What were those two types of animals?
Two types.
Two major category of animals.
Mammals.
Mammals and
No mammals.
mammals and non-mammals. Yes, so those were two categories of animals, and we looked different examples in those two categories. For mammals, we had cow, sheep, cat, dog. For non-mammals, we had snake, lizard.
भैया,
Right?
crow is no mammals.
Yeah, right. What non-mammals?
Crow.
Yes, crow. Right. So all these were non-mammals. Right. So these were the two kind of animals. So now what we will be learning about, I left you in the last EVS class with a hint that different animals are dependent on each other and they have different needs. So this is what we will be discussing in today's class right now. That what are the needs of those animals which they require in order to survive. So survive means basically to stay alive, right? To stay alive, what are their needs? What do they need? So can anyone make a guess that what is it that animals would be needing for their survival? Raise your hands. I will see that how much you are aware of already. I can see Prasad is raising his hand. Waiting for more hands to go up in the air. Come on, put your hands up. Okay, great. Let's hear from Prasad this time.
Survivor means किसी भी जगह पर लेना और वो सब मौसम सरवाइव करना.
Okay, thank you, Prasad. Can you please respond to that in English as well?
Survive means harsh very seasons living there.
Okay, thank you, Prasad, for your response. Let's hear from Arjun.
Animals to survive heat to warm-blooded.
What two warm-blooded?
Animals need warm-blooded skin to survive.
Warm-blooded skin. Okay, animals need warm-blooded skin. So Arjun, skin is not warm-blooded. Okay, warm-blooded simply means that the animal is able to control its temperature. Okay, and skin is simply a sense organ. Okay, it is a sense organ. It is not warm or cold. Okay. So, okay, so basically what does this means is that we will be looking at what are the needs. Basically animals को क्या चाहिए जिंदा रहने के लिए, right? That all of you need food, water and air to live, right? Also you need shelter to stay alive, ठीक है? अगर आप खाना नहीं खाओगे and पानी नहीं पियोगे तो क्या होगा? क्या होगा? Would anyone like to tell?
बीमार हो जाएंगे. बीमार हो जाएंगे.
बीमार हो जाओगे and ultimately if anybody stops eating and drinking for a long period of time, then they won't be able to survive. So survive means what are the things that you need in order to stay alive. So we will be looking at different needs of different animals, that what is it that different animals need for their survival. So great. So there are some basic needs and then there are some specific needs. So our basic needs are these, which is food, water and shelter, right? And basically all our these needs are fulfilled by our surroundings. So surrounding means आसपास का area means जहां आप रह रहे हो उसका आसपास का area को we call surroundings, right? Like I am living in Vadgaon, तो Vadgaon में मेरे आसपास जो भी एरिया है उसको मैं सराउंडिंग बोलूंगा, ठीक है। तो बेसिकली अवर नीड्स, हमारी अब नीड्स क्या क्या है, अवर नीड्स आर फूड। सो बेसिकली फूड, वेयर आई एम गेटिंग फूड फ्रॉम, आई एम गेटिंग द फूड फ्रॉम प्लांट्स एंड एनिमल्स. So would now anyone like to make a guess that how are we getting food from plants and animals? Plants and animals से कैसे food मिल रहा है? Like for example, if I'm getting food from plants, how is that happening? Okay, I can see 2 to 3. Waiting for you people to raise your hands. Yes, Kartiki.
प्लांट्स जब बड़ा हो जाएगा तब वो फूड देता है,
क्या फूड देता है?
मतलब
मतलब प्लांट बड़ा जब हो जाता है, then what kind of food does it give? सोचो सोचो. मैंगो ट्री है, मैंगो ट्री जब बड़ा हो जाएगा तो वो किस टाइप का फूड देगा?
मैंगो.
मैंगो देगा ना, राइट. सो डिफरेंट प्लांट्स आर गिविंग अस डिफरेंट डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ फूड, राइट. नाउ वुड एनीवन टेल मी हाउ इज एनिमल्स गिविंग अस फूड? दिस इज मोर डायरेक्ट एंड सिंपल. लेट्स हियर फ्रॉम समृद्धि.
Animals give food by
By
animals give food by plants give food to us, then animals
हाँ हाँ बोलो. ट्राई समृद्धि.
I think they also give us from plants only.
They also gave us food from plants only. Okay, Samruddhi, thank you for sharing that thought. But I was asking that what is the specific food that animal are giving us? Okay, let's hear from Omkar.
Animals give me food, meat and eggs.
Yes, so these are the two primary source of animal food, meat and eggs. Yes, beside eggs, what are the other animal food that I can think of? So Bhaiya thinks honey. Yes, honey. Where is honey coming from? It is coming from bee, right? So honey is also one of the animal products. So it is a animal food. And then what else? Fishes are also animal product, right? So all these things we are taking for our food. So where are we getting it from? Are we getting it from somewhere else, or are we getting it from our surroundings only? We are getting it from our surroundings only. Fishes, we are getting it from river, right? From river and lakes, we are getting what? Fishes, right? And hen, eggs, all these things we are getting from farms. Okay, we have our farms from where we get hens, eggs, chicken, right? And then we have livestock like goats, right? So those are all animals and plant products which we are getting from our surroundings. The next is what? Water. So basically all of you need to drink water to stay alive, right? So where are we getting water from? We are getting water from rivers, right? Rivers.
Bhaiya, you are breaking.
But am I breaking everybody?
No, bhaiya.
Yes.
No, bhaiya. Yes, bhaiya. No. Yes. No, bhaiya.
See,
Yes, bhaiya.
okay. See, for those whose my voice is breaking, there is some network issue from your end. So what you can do is drop off and try joining again, okay? Because for most of the students, the network is fine. Right, so okay. So water we are getting from rivers. Can somebody give me example of some rivers now? जहाँ से हम लोग पानी ले रहे हैं? I will ask Samruddhi Roth to give me some example of rivers. Samruddhi, can you tell me?
क्या करना है भैया?
रिवर्स के एग्जाम्पल देने हैं आपको कि रिवर्स जहां से हम पानी ले रहे हैं उन रिवर्स के क्या क्या एग्जाम्पल है. डिफरेंट डिफरेंट नेम होते हैं ना रिवर्स के. Vaishnavi, can you help Samruddhi here?
Well.
Well, okay, thank you, Samruddhi, for sharing that. Vaishnavi, can you help Samruddhi?
तुझा बोलले का how many scale
Okay. I will ask participants now who are raising their hands. Let's hear from Yash.
I am drink water in the river. In river name is a Vir Dam and a Bhima River.
Hima
So
River.
many rivers.
Yes,
So
भैया.
many rivers. Yes, so I will give example of few rivers, right? Rivers can name like Ganga, right? So Ganga is a river. Can anyone give me example of another river now? Let's hear from.
river
Himkativi.
Godavari river
Raise your hands.
Godavari River.
Godavari River. Okay, thank you. Let's hear from Samruddhi.
Indrayani.
Yamuna.
Rhine. Okay, somebody called Yamuna, right? So great. So we have different rivers from where we are taking water, right? So this water is also essential for our survival. Now the third part is shelter. What does shelter means? Shelter means basically our homes, right? We need a home to live in, right? Else where we will go and live, right? We need a home to live in. So how we are making our shelter, how we are making our homes, we are making it from iron, soil, wood, right? So basically your homes are made up of what? Brick, right? And brick, how are we making brick? We are making ultimately brick from soil. So these are the things which we need to make our shelter. And where are we getting these from? Where are we getting these from? Iron, soil, and wood. I will ask Nishi to tell me where are we getting iron, soil, and wood from?
from a civil
भैया मेरा सर क्या मैं क्लास से लीव हो जाऊं?
माझ्याकडे नको बघू तिथंच बघ मी सांगतो तुला
Wait, if you want to ask something, then raise your hands. How many times do I have to tell you? Yes, Nishi, can you tell me where are we getting iron, soil, and wood from? Okay, let's hear from Sanjana. Sanjana, go ahead.
भैया मेरा सर दुख रहा है, मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आया, क्या मैं क्लास से लीव ले लूं?
संजना, if it is very severe, अगर बहुत तेज आपका सिर दुख रहा है, then आप लीव ले सकते हो. But अगर if you can attend, then well and good, क्योंकि फिर बाद में आपको समझ नहीं आएगा. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट क्लास आपको समझ नहीं आएगी, बट अगर आपके ज्यादा पेन हो रहा है, then you can take leave. Okay. Okay, let's hear from Prasad. Prasad, can you tell me where do we get iron, soil, and wood from?
Water.
Iron, soil, and wood we are getting from water, Prasad. Is it? पानी में से आपको आयरन, मिट्टी या लकड़ी मिलती है क्या?
No. Tree से मिलती है लकड़ियाँ.
ट्री से मिलती है, राइट? सो प्लीज लिसन टू क्वेश्चन केयरफुली, राइट? क्वेश्चन को ध्यान से सुनो एंड अभी बताओ कहाँ से मिल रहा है फिर हमें ये तीनों चीजें.
मिट्टी हमें जमीन से मिल रही है.
एंड आयरन?
आयरन
मीन्स लोहा.
लोहा हमें एलिमेंट से मिल रहा है.
एलिमेंट से मिल रहा है, ठीक है, राइट? एंड वो भी कहाँ से मिल रहा है? एलिमेंट्स कहाँ से निकल रहे हैं? So okay, let's see if Yash can help us here. Yash,
भैया he also वो भी मिट्टी से ही निकल रहा है.
yes, it is also coming out from soil, right? So basically now if I just ask you that on a greater note, where I am getting all these things, three things from, so it's our surroundings only. ठीक है, nearby surroundings से ही हमें मिल रहा है. Surrounding means आसपास का एरिया जहाँ पे हम लोग रह रहे हैं, राइट? सो आयरन, सॉइल, वुड हमें सब आसपास से मिल रहा है. लाइक वुड हमें जंगलों से मिल रहा है, सॉइल हमारे आसपास ही है, ठीक है, आयरन हमें सॉइल के अंदर मिल रहा है. सो दिस इज द पॉइंट दैट ऑल द लिविंग बीइंग्स हैव देयर नीड्स एंड व्हिच आर fulfilled by their surroundings. Okay, if these needs were not being fulfilled by the surroundings, then living things won't be able to survive. Okay, they will die if they don't, if their needs are not fulfilled, right? So we are going to study about these needs in detail today, right? So great. So basically let's have a look at a greater detail now. Okay, so I will ask Samruddhi Roth to read the first line for us.
We have many needs
Hmm. Like, hmm.
food,
Hmm.
or
Air, clothes, and shelter. Okay, thank you, Samruddhi, for reading that out. Okay, so basically, what does this mean is that we have many needs like food, water, air, clothes, and shelter, right? So we already looked at food, water, and air, right? Food, water, and shelter. So why is air required? Air we need to breathe, right? If air is not there, then how will we breathe, right? All living beings need oxygen to survive. So for that, we need air to breathe, right? So basically, what is the next point now? Food, water, and air are the needs of all living things, right? So basically, food, water, and air is something which is required by all the living things. Okay, any living thing can't survive with these without these three things if these three things are not present. Okay, and we will look at a lot of examples today. Okay, this will become crystal clear to all of you that why it is so essential for all the living things. Okay, and just now we discussed that they are all fulfilled in the environment. What is environment is our surroundings only. Okay, our nearby surroundings only is called environment. Okay, so living beings have needs and which are fulfilled by the environment. Okay, so now what is the final point? Can I ask Malhar to read the last point for us?
Yes, Bhaiya.
Can you read the last point?
Yes.
Hmm.
Last second.
There are
There are
different
different
in the
in the
need
needs
needs
of
each
kind
kind of living things.
of living things.
Okay, thank you, Malar, for reading that. Please try to make your reading independent as soon as possible. Okay, without any help. Okay, great. So practice a lot of reading in your home. Okay, in your free time. So basically, the third point is there are differences in the needs of each kind of living things, right? So we have different living things. Now they have difference in the needs, right? So what does this point mean? So it will become clear in just a moment. Okay. So for an example, there is an elephant, right? And there is a mouse. Okay, so the amount of water which elephant will drink will be different than the amount of water which is required by mouse, right? Elephant ज्यादा पानी पिएगा, mouse कम पानी पिएगा क्योंकि mouse छोटा है. So basically उनकी needs यहाँ पे different हो गई क्योंकि animal जो एलिफेंट है वो आपका डिफरेंट एनिमल है, उसका साइज काफी बड़ा है साइज, तो उसकी पानी की जो प्यास है वो भी बहुत ज्यादा बड़ी होगी, तो वो ज्यादा पानी पिएगा. एंड माउस जो है जो छोटा है वो कितना पानी पिएगा, एलिफेंट जितना पानी तो पिएगा नहीं, राइट? सो उनकी नीड्स डिफरेंट हो जाती है. सो बेसिकली वी विल बी लुकिंग एट दैट ओनली. सो दिस इज वन एग्जांपल एंड आल्सो वी विल लुक एट डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ एनिमल्स whose needs are varying on multiple levels, जिनकी needs जो है multiple levels पे vary कर रही है, right? So quickly can somebody now explain what we just discussed in these 3 points? Raise your hand, let's see who is courageous enough. I am expecting hand raises from courageous students now and also from group leaders. So yesterday we had Arya, Samruddhi and Omkar as our group leaders. So do we have Arya in today's class? Okay, Arya is not here. Okay, let's hear from Omkar.
We just discussed in this is living things, food, water, and air have need, and elephant and mouse. Elephant drink a lot of water, but mouse drink slow means very little of water he drink.
Okay, thank you, Omkar. Okay, So basically Onkar highlighted few points. Also we discussed that what are our needs, right? So what is this? This is water. This is the picture of water. Water is our need, food is our need, right? And air is our need. So these are required by all living things. Then we looked at that different living things have different needs, right? Like mouse drinks small water, small amount of water, and elephant drinks large amount of water. Great. So now we will be looking at two different videos, right? We will be looking at two different videos. In that you are going to see two different animals. What you have to do is see what are the kind of surroundings in which that animal is living, and then think about their needs, that how their needs will be fulfilled in that surrounding, right? अभी वीडियो में क्या होगा, आप दो एनिमल्स देखोगे, उन दो एनिमल्स में आप क्या ऑब्जर्व करोगे कि वो अलग अलग सराउंडिंग में रह रहा है, ठीक है? अब वो जिस सराउंडिंग में रह रहा है उसी सराउंडिंग से वो अपने नीड्स फुलफिल करेगा, राइट? अगर कोई एनिमल मार्स पे रह रहा है तो वो अर्थ पे तो नहीं आएगा ना अपनी नीड फुलफिल करने के लिए, वो मार्स पे करेगा. Although Mars is not a habitable planet right now, ठीक है? मार्स पे there is no living form. Just for an example, I am explaining you, right? The animal which is in its surrounding, वो वहीं पे अपनी need fulfill करेगा. So you have to think about कि वो अपनी needs कैसे fulfill करेगा. Great. So can I ask Nishi to quickly explain what are we going to do right now? Nishi, please switch on your video also. Yes, Nishi, can you quickly tell me what are we going to do right now?
Lesson was the two different video about what will fit their night time in the chat box of the coming back.
Okay, thank you, Nishi, for reading that out. Nishi, I will ask Vaishnavi Didi to give you a lot of reading homework. Okay, you will read it aloud and you will send the recording to Vaishnavi Didi. Okay, you have to practice reading a lot. Okay, so Kartiki, can you quickly explain the meaning right now? What are we doing right now?
Doing what is a animals, two animals need, what needs.
क्या करने वाले हैं? हिंदी में बता दो अगर हिंदी में कंफर्टेबल हो तो.
उनको क्या क्या मतलब नीड करते हैं, वाटर वगैरह
क्या क्या चाहिए उन्हें अलाइव रहने के लिए, राइट? तो हम वीडियो देखेंगे, उसके बाद हम लोग वीडियो देखने के बाद वापस आएंगे एंड चैट बॉक्स में लिखेंगे कि हमें क्या लगता है, व्हाट डू वी थिंक, व्हाट डू दे नीड टू स्टे अलाइव. ग्रेट. सो basically let's watch the video now. Okay, so are all of you excited for the movie time? We are going to watch some great movies right now. Give me a thumbs up if you are ready to go. Great. Yes, raise your hand. Who is this?
Vaishnavi.
Yes, Vaishnavi. Yes, Vaishnavi, do you have anything to ask?
ऑफिस का पीडीएफ ग्रुप पे
Vaishnavi, I'll take that question after the class. Okay, if you have a question, anything related to homework, PDF, or any doubt, right, which is apart from this class, you will ask me after the class ends. Okay, great.
Okay.
Let's start with the video. All of you carefully watch the video and think about what will be the animal's needs in order to survive. Okay, and keep one point in mind, that it will fulfill its needs from its surroundings only. Okay, where it is living. Great.
Dwarfed by the vast expanse of the open ocean, the biggest animal that has ever lived on our planet.
Are all of you able to hear the sound? Give me a thumbs up.
Yes. Yes,
Great, great.
A blue whale, 30 meters long and weighing over 200 tons. It's far bigger than even the biggest dinosaur, much as an elephant. Its heart is the size of a car, and some of its blood vessels are so wide that you could swim down them. Its tail alone is the width of a small aircraft's wings.
Okay, with that, we will start coming back. And now we will watch another video.
Have you ever wondered how butterflies eat? They don't have teeth or mouths like other animals do. Instead, they can only sip through a straw-like mouth part called a proboscis. Typically, they sip on nectar from flowers, but they can also drink tree sap and juices from rotting fruits. When they're hungry, they extend their proboscis like a bendy straw. When they're done eating, they simply curl it back up. What do you wonder?
Great. So with that, we will start coming back.
ये मैंने वीडियो नहीं देखा।
किसने वीडियो नहीं देखा?
अच्छा मैंने भी अच्छे से नहीं देखा। भैया
Wait. Are all of you ready? Are all of you ready to watch the video now? Give me a thumbs up if all of you are ready.
यस भैया। यस भैया।
Now I won't play the video again. I'm going to play it for one more time. So बस आपको वीडियो नहीं देखना है, ठीक है? आपको वीडियो देखते टाइम ये भी सोचना है, आपको अपना आंसर रेडी रखना है, ठीक है? वीडियो देखने के बाद हम लोग 2 क्वेश्चंस का आंसर देंगे, ठीक है? वो क्वेश्चन क्या थे? जल्दी से समृद्धि, can you repeat those questions which we are going to answer after watching the video?
The questions are where do they live and what needs they have.
Right, and how are they fulfilling their needs? Okay, but great. With that, we will just quickly watch the video once again.
Dwarfed by the vast expanse of the open ocean, the biggest animal that has ever lived on our planet. A blue whale, 30 meters long and weighing over 200 tons. It's far bigger than even the biggest dinosaur. Its tongue weighs as much as an elephant. Its heart is the size of a car. And some of its blood vessels are so wide that you could swim down them. Its tail alone is the width of a small aircraft's wings.
Great. Was everyone able to watch this video this time? Give me a thumbs up.
Yes
Great.
भैया।
Great. So quickly, let's look at the second video.
Have you ever wondered how butterflies eat? They don't have teeth or mouths like other animals do. Instead, they can only sip through a straw-like mouth part called a proboscis. Typically, they sip on nectar from flowers, but they can also drink tree sap and juices from rotting fruits. When they're hungry, they extend their proboscis like a bendy straw. When they're done eating, they simply curl it back up. What do you wonder?
Great. So with that, we will start coming back and go to the chat box now and answer the question. You observe 2 animals. Answer what are their needs.
भैया पहला क्वेश्चन क्या है समझ में नहीं आया।
पहला क्वेश्चन ये है कि उनके नीड्स क्या है, ठीक है, एनिमल के नीड्स क्या है, जो दो एनिमल्स है उनके अलग अलग क्या नीड्स है, एंड अगला क्वेश्चन ये है कि वो नीड्स कैसे फुलफिल करेंगे।
नहीं, वो वॉच द टू डिफरेंट वीडियोस।
वो क्वेश्चन नहीं है, उसका मतलब है कि आपको दो वीडियोस देखने थे जो हमने देख लिए। चलो, so everybody go to the chat box and put your answers. We will take 30 seconds to do so. इतने बड़े बड़े एनिमल्स देखे हमने, इतने डिफरेंट साइजेस के, राइट। एक पहला एनिमल इतना बड़ा था, दूसरा एनिमल एकदम छोटा। Okay, Omkar is writing butterfly needs flowers. Okay. Prasad is saying that whale needs fish, waiting for more responses. Karthik is saying that needs water. Mostly butterfly needs flowers. Sanskruti, would you like to come off mute and give voice to your thought? Sanskruti, come off mute and share. What do you think?
Butterfly need flowers.
Butterfly needs plants for it.
Needs plants for eating. Okay. So basically, what we observed in the video that it needed nectar. Okay. It is something which is called as nectar. On the flower juices, which butterfly was sucking, that was nectar. So it needs nectar. Okay. Now let's see what are other people saying. Avni saying it needs insects. Okay. Fish needs water. Chanvi is saying butterfly needs flowers. Okay, let's hear about views on fishes. Let's hear this from Arjun. Arjun, can you quickly explain? What do you think?
Bhaiya, fish needs water.
Fish needs water. And where will it get its food from?
In river. In there are food.
Yes. So what will it eat in river?
Small plants.
Small plants. Okay. Would anyone like to add more points? और क्या क्या needs हो सकती है उस fish की? Let's see.
हम भी कब मतलब जब लोग भी फिश फूड डालते,
लोग भी क्या डालते हैं?
फिश फूड
डालते हैं। ओके, बट वेल को तो कोई फिश फूड नहीं डालता, वो इतनी बड़ी वेल थी पूरी 30 मीटर्स की,
वही फिश को खाती है,
वही फिश को खाती है, राइट। तो वो सराउंडिंग से खाना ले रही है। ओके, और क्या नीड्स हो सकती है उसकी? लेट्स हियर फ्रॉम ओमकर।
Bhaiya, blue whale have big ocean.
What big what?
Ocean.
Big ocean. Have big ocean. Okay, big ocean में तो रह रही है, but the question is what will it need to survive? Okay, how is it fulfilling its need?
Fishes and
With the help of small fishes, right? It is eating small fishes. Okay, and what else? Let's hear from Yash. Maybe he has one new point. Same like Omkar. Okay, great. So we will look at what are their different needs now. Okay, so basically we observed two different animals, right? So what was the first thing which we observed? That blue whale, this animal, it is living in water, right? This blue whale can live in water, right? So basically all the needs of blue whale will get fulfilled from water only. Okay, and the second animal which we observed was butterfly. Okay, butterfly was so small, but it doesn't live in water. Where does it live? It lives on land, right? So it cannot live on water, and its need will be fulfilled from the land only, right? What was the second thing which we observed, right, which we can think of? It is that blue whale eats small fishes. Okay, it eats small fishes and krill. See, blue whale is living in water, so it cannot come out of water to fulfill its needs. ठीक है, जो मछली पानी में रह रही है वो बाहर नहीं आ सकती, ठीक है, वो लैंड पे नहीं रह सकती। सो बेसिकली उसको जब भूख लग रही है तो वो खाना कहाँ से लेगी, पानी से ही लेगी, राइट। तो पानी में इट विल ईट स्मॉल स्मॉल फिशेस, इट विल ईट krill. So what is krill? Krill is also a small type of animal only. Okay, it is a small animal which lives in water. Okay, so it eats these small fishes and krill. And do you know how much food does it eat in every day? How much food will it eat? Any guesses?
100.
100 what?
1000.
Okay.
1 lakh. 1
lakh. 1 lakh. Okay. Okay. Let's hear from Yash.
1 trillion.
1 trillion. Great.
1000 fishes
1000.
daily eat.
How much? 1000 fishes it eats. Okay. Wait, I'll tell you. It eats 1300 kg of food every single day. 1300 kg. 1300 kilogram. So that is a lot. Okay. That is a lot of food to eat. Okay. Humans don't eat this much amount of food in 1 month, and blue whale eats this in 1 day, 1 single day. So that means it is eating a lot of food. And why is that? Because it is 30 meters long. It is the largest animal which is alive on Earth planet as of day, right? It is the largest animal. There is no other animal which is largest than blue whale. Okay, it is 30 meters long, the largest animal. You know how big humans will look in front of a blue whale. अगर कोई ब्लू व्हेल अभी हमारे सामने आ जाती है तो हमें इतने से लगेंगे, उसके सामने इतने से.
Yes.
Because it is the largest animal. Now, at one hand, we have the largest animal, and on the other hand, we have butterfly, which we can easily catch with our hands. So look at the amount of diversity here. इतने different animals हैं. अब वो animals इतने different है, इसलिए उनकी needs भी different होगी, ठीक है? So अब butterfly हमें पता है, it is not living on water, ठीक है? वो कहाँ रह रही है? वो land पे रह रही है. So वो अपना food कहाँ से लेगी? अब वो small fish खाएगी नहीं जाकर के पानी में blue whale की तरह. वो अपने आसपास के सराउंडिंग से लेगी. तो इसमें कैच क्या है, इसमें ट्रिक क्या है? इसमें यही ट्रिक है कि आपको एनिमल के बारे में सोचना है, एंड ये सोचना है ये कहाँ रहता है, फिर सोचना है कि ये अपने आसपास की सराउंडिंग से ही अपनी नीड फुलफिल करेगा. देन इस बेसिस पे आपको कोई भी एनिमल दे दिया जाए, आप उसकी नीड्स अपने आप पता लगा पाओगे. कूल. सो दिस इज सो कूल, राइट? इफ वी जस्ट नो अबाउट इट्स सराउंडिंग, right? So it sucks nectar from flowers. Okay, so we saw in the video that it has something called as proboscis. Okay, using which it sucks nectar from the flower. ठीक है, flower से वो juice basically suck कर लेती है. It doesn't has mouth and teeth. Okay, so it is getting its need fulfilled from the flowers, which is present on land. Okay, great. So now the third need was air, right? So we need air. We need air for oxygen. So now can anybody tell me that how will blue whale get its air? Basically in water there is no air, right? So basically how will it survive? I will ask this from Rudra. Rudra, can you come off mute and tell me how will blue whale get air? जितनी भी फिशेस है उनको एयर कहाँ से मिलेगी, हवा कहाँ से मिलेगी? हम तो सांस ले रहे हैं सरवाइव करने के लिए, ठीक है, बट जो फिशेस रह रही है उन्हें कहाँ से मिलेगा एयर? Let's hear from Kartiki. Kartiki, would you like to help Rudra?
I think because they have no oxygen to take the air well.
They have no oxygen to take air. They have no oxygen to take air. What does this mean, Kartiki? आप क्या बोल रहे हो, थोड़ा मेरे को समझाओगे, क्या बोलना चाह रहे हो?
मुझे लगता है कि ऑक्सीजन नहीं होती.
वेल में क्या नहीं होती?
ऑक्सीजन
नहीं होती. ओके, ग्रेट, ठीक है. अभी हम लोग देखेंगे क्या कैसे बेसिकली वेल अपनी नीड फुलफिल कर रही है. Let's hear from wait somebody is off mute. Let's hear from Janvi. Janvi, I can see your hand is raised. Somebody has raised a fish.
Fish breathe out of gills.
Okay, thank you so much, Janvi. So what is Janvi telling? That fishes breathe using their gills, right? So basically they don't even breathe, right? They have a different organ, different respiratory organ using which they take oxygen. See, why we are taking air? Okay, why we are taking air? Because we need oxygen. Every living thing needs oxygen. So about this you will study in detail in higher grades, right? But I have put it because I think that this is important for all of you to know, right? That every living organism is needing air on land, because from air they are getting oxygen. So what about animals which are living in water? They will get oxygen from water using gills. Okay, they have different kind of organs which are called gills, from which they absorb the oxygen which is present in water. So this is how they are fulfilling their need, right? And how is butterfly getting oxygen? So this is very simple. Like we are getting oxygen, okay, we are getting it from air. So can anybody tell me if I put a butterfly in the water, will it be able to get oxygen from water?
No. She was
Oh yes. Why is that? Let's hear this from Sanjana. I will ask Sanjana. Sanjana, butterfly को अगर पानी में डालेंगे तो ऑक्सीजन क्यों नहीं ले पाएगा? Sanjana? Sanjana, can you answer? Sanjana, you are speaking on mute. Sanjana, बताओ. Okay, Sanjana, okay, maybe you are not well. Let's hear from Samruddhi.
Because of it take oxygen from air, so if we will put in water, she will be die.
She will die. Why she will die?
Because she lives on means she do not live in water. She lives on
Land.
land.
Yeah, land, right? So basically the catch here was the organ, right? The gills. Fishes have gills present in them through which they can consume the oxygen present in water, but butterfly doesn't have gills. Okay, so it takes oxygen from air. And same is with us humans also. Okay, if we go inside water thinking that in water we can take oxygen, we are not going to survive. Okay, we will die. So don't try this at home. Okay, to go inside water and look for oxygen. Okay, so now who is going to explain me all these 3 points of these two animals once again? Quickly summarize. Who is courageous enough? Okay, Samruddhi, go ahead.
Blue whale lives in water and the butterfly not lives in water. Blue whale eats fish, lot of fishes, and butterfly do not eat fishes because it is a small insect, so it sucks nectar from flowers, and the blue whale gets oxygen from water, and butterfly do not get oxygen from water, it gets from air.
Yes. So what is it that you are observing, Samruddhi? That these two different animals have what? Different?
They have different needs.
They have different needs. And where they are fulfilling those needs from?
Their surrounding.
Yes. So the surrounding in which they are living, they are fulfilling their needs from those surroundings. So if we keep these two things in mind, we can tell need of every animal which we see around us. Okay. So this is what we are going to try with some different animals now. So are all of you excited to apply your learning now? To apply just what we learned?
Yes.
Great. So all of you are giving a thumbs up.
Yes, भैया.
I can see some of these students are just not excited. They are like, ठीक है भैया हो गया अभी क्यों बोर कर रहे हो? कोई बोर तो नहीं हो रहा? ठीक है, अगर कोई बोर हो रहा है तो अभी हम एक गेम खेलने वाले हैं. ठीक है, वापस से हम एक कंपटीशन करने वाले हैं जिसमें आज फिर से हम देखेंगे कि which group is winning. ठीक है, so if you want that your group wins, then play well and enjoy the class. Okay. So now what we are going to do is we are going to observe one more short video. ठीक है, एक बढ़िया सी मूवी देखेंगे और फिर उसके बाद इस वीडियो में हम जो जो एनिमल्स देख रहे हैं उनको ऑब्जर्व करेंगे एंड वी विल आइडेंटिफाई व्हाट विल बी देयर नीड्स नाउ. ठीक है, उनकी क्या क्या नीड्स रहेंगी. ठीक है, फिर क्या करेंगे, हम लोग ब्रेकआउट रूम में जाएंगे, हम लोग अपने अपने ग्रुप में डिस्कस करेंगे. वी विल डिस्कस जो हमने एनिमल्स देखे उनकी क्या नीड्स है एंड देन बाहर आने के बाद वी विल टेल, एंड जिसका आंसर सबसे ज्यादा कन्विंसिंग लगेगा दैट ग्रुप विल विन.
भैया मतलब हमें बताना है क्या कौन से एनिमल्स है इसमें?
हाँ, कौन कौन से एनिमल्स हैं और
और
उनकी
चैट बॉक्स में लिखना है क्या भैया?
चैट बॉक्स में नहीं लिखना. क्या करना है हमें स्वराज?
हमें है ना जो एनिमल्स दिखेंगे ना उन्हें नोटबुक में लिखना है.
नोटबुक में
और
नहीं लिखना है.
आप-
अर्जुन कैन यू टेल मी क्या करना है?
हमें फर्स्ट वीडियो देखना है और आप हमें ब्रेकआउट रूम में डालेंगे और हम उधर डिस्कस करेंगे.
हाँ, डिस्कस करेंगे एंड फिर बाहर आके फिर बताएंगे हमने क्या डिस्कस किया. ठीक है, सो कूल. सो एवरीबॉडी नाउ क्विकली वॉच योर वीडियोस, पे अटेंशन. ओके, ऑल ऑफ यू आर रेडी फॉर वाचिंग द वीडियो? गिव मी अ थम्स अप.
We have leaders.
Yes, I will declare the leaders. Okay, I will come in each breakout room and I will tell who are the leaders. Okay, great. So everybody is ready for watching the video. Great. So I'm not going to play this video again. So I hope everybody is ready. Great. With that, let's start the video.
भैया वीडियो नहीं दिख रहा है.
At times, the two tigers, becoming dangerous, believe that the storm is over and take to their games again. But Talon will not give up.
भूख लग हम ज्यादा खाना खाए. Munchkin is the running.
Great. So with that, we will start. It was a little funny video. Okay. So all of you, now I'm going to put you in breakout rooms. You will discuss what are the two animals that you saw in the video, and based on where they are living, whatever they are doing, okay, discuss about their needs and how are they going to fulfill their needs, right? So I'm gonna open the breakout rooms and we will take 3 minutes to do this activity.
भैया भैया
Yes.
क्या चल रहा था मुझे कुछ भी नहीं समझ में आता।
Okay, all of you start joining your breakout rooms.
दादा दादा
परत नवीन घर बांधतात ती पूजा मग कशाला
Arjun, join your breakout room. Karthik, join your
अभी
breakout
कट हो
room.
गया।
हाँ, join करो, आपका आ रहा होगा वापस से।
नहीं आ रहा भैया, फिर से करो ना। 4
नहीं।
था मेरा।
हाँ, आपका आ रहा है ना।
कट हो गया डायरेक्ट।
Okay, wait.
काय ग बाळा
अभी join करने को आ रहा है अर्जुन?
नो।
Wait, अभी आ रहा है?
यस।
Karthik, join your breakout room. And Avni, join your breakout room.
काय म्हणले प्लीज रिपीट बोलना प्लीज रिपीट बोल भैया प्लीज रिपीट
आपको ब्रेकआउट रूम ज्वाइन करना है अवनी।
वो कैसे होता है?
आपका स्क्रीन पे आ रहा होगा ज्वाइन ब्रेकआउट रूम प्रॉम्प्ट आ रहा होगा, यस या नो। आप यस पे क्लिक करो, ज्वाइन हो जाएगा। Okay, so have you decided who will be group leader for today's activity?
No, no one has decided.
Okay, so today's group leader is going to be Samruddhi Roth. Samruddhi Roth, you will be group leader for today's activity. Okay, you will be leading and you will be asking their views and opinions. Okay, and then after coming out of breakout room, you are going to give me summary at whatever you have discussed in this group and what everybody told you. Okay, so start your discussion. Samruddhi, bolo.
Yes, and me are discussing with others. Sometimes this is saying, but Aryan, Arya, Vedant, then we are telling them to tell us, but they are not discussing only.
Acha. Arya, how come you are not discussing? You were group leader for yesterday. So,
Tiger is flesh animal.
wait, I'll go to other breakout rooms and announce their group leaders. Okay, you start discussing. Samruddhi, you have to take responsibility and ensure that everybody is speaking up. And you can start off by sharing your views. आप start करो, आपने क्या देखा वीडियो में, क्या needs थे animals के? बोलो, जल्दी बोलो।
I think tiger lives in forest and monkeys lives on trees, and the monkey eats banana, and tiger eat other animals.
Great, Samruti. Help others also, okay? Ask about their views also, okay? Your views are right on spot, okay? Help others as well.
Okay.
Tiger flesh in animal.
ठीक है, आप लोग का ग्रुप लीडर डिसाइड हो गया? Okay, so Roshali, you are going to be a group leader for this breakout activity, ठीक है? So basically,
Okay.
Okay, भैया.
आप व्हाट्सएप पे वीडियो भेजोगे क्या? ब्लर दिख रहा था ना वीडियो, इसलिए कुछ भी नहीं समझ में आ गया.
okay, वीडियो आपको दिखा नहीं था, ठीक है? मैं व्हाट्सएप पे भेजता हूँ.
दोनों को एड्रेस बता दो. बाहेर जाऊ नका सगळे ती. भैया चैट बॉक्स में क्या लिखना है?
यश, अभी चैट बॉक्स में नहीं लिखना है कुछ भी. वेट, अभी आपको डिस्कस करना है कि आपने वीडियो में 2 एनिमल्स क्या क्या देखे एंड उनके नीड्स क्या क्या है, सभी को डिस्कस करना है. एंड देन बाहर आके ग्रुप लीडर विल टेल कि आपने क्या डिस्कस किया, ठीक है? तो आपका ग्रुप लीडर, मैं आपके ग्रुप का लीडर मैं आपको बना दे रहा हूँ, ठीक है यश? सो आपको बाहर आके बताना है सभी को कि आपने अपने ग्रुप में क्या डिस्कस किया. को पता है ना क्या डिस्कस करना है?
यस भैया.
हाँ, जो एनिमल्स देखे आपने उनकी नीड्स क्या है, ठीक है? यू कैन स्टार्ट डिस्कसिंग.
ओके भैया, थैंक यू. रुद्र सांगा ना, रुद्र. काय रे? तेरे को समझ में आया ना क्या करना है? अरे मला आलं, रुद्राला आलं का बघ ना. रुद्र तेरे को भी समझ आया ना? मला पण आलं. अगं भैया वो कार्तिकी है ना, हम सब भूल जा रहे. कार्तिकी म्यूट हो, कार्तिकी कैमरा ऑन करो. कैमरा ही नहीं ऑन कर रही. क्या समझ में आला?
कौन? कार्तिक?
हाँ.
कार्तिक कैमरा ऑन करो. अच्छा, जो नहीं बोल रहे हैं उनके बारे में ना आप मेरे को क्लास के बाद बताना. अभी जो
हेलो भैया.
डिस्कस करना स्टार्ट करो, ठीक है?
Monkey take oxygen from.
क्या चल रहा है?
डिस्कशन. वो क्या कर रहे थे, क्या नहीं कर रहे थे. वो प्रसाद कह रहा है टाइगर को वो टॉर्चर कर रहा था.
टॉर्चर तो कर रहा था, बट हमें क्वेश्चन क्या है, हमें उस क्वेश्चन के बारे में सोचना है.
टाइगर ईट मीट.
टाइगर ईट मीट, ठीक है, मीट खाता है. ग्रुप लीडर कौन है आपका?
हमको ही नहीं पता. हम आपका ही वेट कर रहे.
ठीक है, तो मैं ग्रुप लीडर बना देता हूँ. डिप 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 कर लेते हैं, जिसके ऊपर आएगा शिप वो बन जाएगा. ठीक है, टिप 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 माय ब्लू शिप. अर्जुन के ऊपर आ गया, अर्जुन बन गया ग्रुप लीडर.
यस.
ग्रेट, देखो कितना सिंपल है. आपस में आप लोग कर लेते हैं डिप 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 माय ब्लू शिप. ठीक है, ठीक है. तो चलो अभी डिस्कशन स्टार्ट करो, मैं भी थोड़ा देखूं क्या डिस्कस कर रहे हो.
ओके.
टाइगर ड्रिंक वाटर.
आता मी लीडर आहे, मला पाठवा ना आता.
हाँ, तो जो लीडर है उसको एंश्योर करना है कि स्मूथ डिस्कशन चल रहा है, ठीक है? कोई शोर नहीं मचा रहा, सब बोल रहे हैं, ठीक है? सबके पॉइंट्स आ रहे हैं.
ओके, सब एक बार ही बोल रहे हैं. कान फुट रहा है मेरा.
एक एक करके पूछो सभी से.
ओके. अरे देना टक्की. हॅलो,
काय?
सेंड कर ना मला.
काय करू?
काय तुमचं काय आन्सर आहे पण एकाने सेम सेम नका टाकू हं. मला एकाच सेम सेम आलं तर पाठवा पटकन. ओमकारचं आलंय अजून. हा आलंय. प्रसाद तुझं नाही आलं. मी प्रसाद तुझं कुठे आहे?
क्या डिस्कशन चल रहा है ये?
मैं मतलब सभी लोग अपना अपना रिस्पॉन्स और मैं मेरा भी डाल रहा हूँ.
चैट में
मुझे
डाल
क्या
दो।
लग रहा है?
आपस में बात करनी है आपको, आपस में डिस्कशन करना है इंग्लिश में। वो
हमें उसने बताया है कि पर्सनली सेंड करो.
पर्सनली सेंड नहीं करना है, आपस में डिस्कशन करना है बस, फिर बाहर आके बताना है
Okay.
कि क्या डिस्कस किया आपने।
ओके
एंड कीप द डिस्कशन इन इंग्लिश, ओके, नो मराठी।
ओके.
मराठी क्लास में बोलो।
Monkey need food. I seen the full of needs of tiger.
And tiger.
व्हाट हैपेंड? क्या डिस्कस किया आप लोगों ने? निशी, आपने क्या पॉइंट्स डिस्कस किया? आप अपने पॉइंट्स बताओगे एक बार मेरे को।
What they eat.
क्या क्या खाते हैं बताओ।
Tiger eat other animals.
एंड व्हाट अबाउट मंकी?
Monkeys
Eat banana.
Where in the video, where what did you see? Where was monkey living?
भैया our discussion is on and
Forest.
भैया we have the final answer typed up and our discussion is also over.
Okay, thank you so much, Samruddhi, for letting me know. We will start coming back in 1 minute. I will just check whether other groups have concluded their discussion or not.
भैया
रुशाली, आपने वीडियो देख लिया? अभी ग्रुप पे सेंड कर दिया वीडियो मैंने। अभी आपका डिस्कशन हो रहा है।
हाँ yes.
So what are you people discussing?
The tiger
Yes.
is kindly and the monkey जैसे monkey चिढ़ाता है उनको बहुत।
तो आपको क्या सोचना था? देखो ग्रुप पे लिखा है जो क्वेश्चंस के बारे में आपको सोचना है, आपको उनकी नीड्स के बारे में सोचना है। उनकी नीड्स क्या थी? हमने लेसन में आज यही देखा ना कि डिफरेंट एनिमल की नीड्स है सर्वाइवल के लिए। तो उनकी क्या नीड्स थी? मंकी क्या लगता है आपको कहाँ रहता होगा उसकी?
उसके पीठ में वो मार रहा था ना।
नीड्स सोचना है रुशाली। बेसिकली उसको जिंदा रहने के लिए क्या चाहिए मंकी को? वो कहाँ रह रहा था?
वो क्या कहना चाहिए?
देखो क्वेश्चन ये है, व्हाट आर द नीड्स टू सर्वाइव। ठीक है, हमने जो पहले वीडियो देखा उसमें हमने देखा कि ब्लू व्हेल जो है उसको क्या चाहिए? उसको स्मॉल फिशेस चाहिए खाने के लिए, राइट? तो वैसे ही मंकी को क्या चाहिए सर्वाइवल के लिए, एंड टाइगर को क्या चाहिए सर्वाइवल के लिए, ये सोचना है आपको। हाँ वैष्णवी बोलो।
भैया जो मीडियम है ना एनिमल्स वो उसको खाते हैं, उसका नीड्स है।
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर डिस्कसिंग दैट वैष्णवी। ठीक है, आप अपना आंसर्स कंक्लूड करो एंड देन ग्रुप लीडर्स विल कम एंड डिस्कस व्हाट दे have concluded in their respective teams. Okay, so we will start coming back in 1 minute.
Okay.
Okay, great. So I can see most of you are back. Some people are still in their breakout rooms. Let's wait for everybody to be back.
Yes, भैया.
सभी को वापस आने दो, वापस आने का वेट कर रहे हैं. People will be back in
Okay,
5,
भैया.
4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Great. Everybody is back now. Great. So now I will ask respective group leaders to go out. So from group number 4, we have Arjun as the group leader for this activity. So Arjun, would like to start off from you. What did you discuss in your group?
Bhaiya, I discuss what the monkey do and what the tiger need and monkey needs.
So can you tell me what are the different responses that your teammates
Yes.
gave?
A tiger need meat, water, air, and cave.
Meat,
And
water, air, and
water, air, cave, and meat.
great. Oh, great.
And monkey need food, tree, water, and air.
Tree, food, water, and air. What and food?
All fruit.
All fruits.
Okay, thank you so much, Arjun, for consolidating the responses which you shared in your group. So now I would like to call out Yashvardhan from group number 3. So Yashvardhan, our group leader for group number 3, quickly.
I discuss and my friends discuss. Tiger or need is a meat, water, fruits, and shelter. And monkey needs a fruits and water.
See, fruit, food, water, and air is common. Question was, those different animals are having different needs. What are their different needs?
Monkey bananas, apple, fruits खाते हैं monkey.
Or great. So in the interest of time, thank you, Yash, for sharing your response. So now we will go to group number 2. So can we have group number 2 leader, which is Rushali? Rushali, would love to hear from you. What did you discuss in your group?
The monkey needs trees to jump, and he needs fruits to eat. Banana fruit is it, and tigers have meat and cave.
Tiger needs meat and cave, and monkey needs food. Great. Thank you so much, Rushali, for sharing that. Now let's go to group number 1, and we have Samruddhi Roth as the leader of group number 1. So Samruddhi Roth, quickly come off mute and tell us what did you discuss in your group. Samruddhi Roth, yes.
समृद्धि राउत ने समृद्धि खटावने
नहीं, ग्रुप लीडर आप थे. समृद्धि ग्रुप लीडर आप थे इस एक्टिविटी के लिए.
भैया इसलिए
बताओ समृद्धि, you have to tell us, else your group will lose, it will get 0 marks.
मैंने डिस्कस किया है.
हाँ, बताओ क्या डिस्कस किया है.
Monkey lives forest.
Monkey lives in forest and
Character.
Samruddhi, this is cheating.
Like to banana.
Question.
So monkey eats bananas. Okay. So Samruddhi has shared what the points which they discussed in the group. Great. So I will take that into consideration. Monkey eats bananas. Tiger eats other animals. Monkey takes oxygen from air. Tiger also takes. And twice the animal need water. Great. So thank you so much, Samruddhi Roth, for discussing whatever you discussed in your group. So with that, we will quickly look at basically what are their needs in great detail, and then after that I will announce the winner that which group won. All of the groups really participated so well. I'm so happy that all of you were speaking up and participating and loved the activity which we carried out in this breakout. So
भैया
great.
कल कौन जीता था?
कल का विनर मैंने अनाउंस किया था ना ग्रुप पे.
नहीं,
भैया
थर्ड ग्रुप जीता था।
हाँ.
समृद्धि खटाव ने सिर्फ डिस्कस किया है।
भैया can I say something?
Yes, कार्तिकी.
मैंने भी डिस्कस किया था।
आपने डिस्कस किया था, बट आपके ग्रुप लीडर को बताना था ना. बेसिकली आपको अपने पॉइंट्स अपने ग्रुप लीडर को बताने थे, एंड आपके ग्रुप लीडर मेन रूम में आके सभी को बताते कि आपने क्या डिस्कस किया.
He was not listen to me, only other people's listen.
Who was your group leader? Arjun.
Arjun.
Arjun didn't listen to you. Arjun, why were you not listening to Kartiki?
भैया भी लिसन कर रहा था, वो लीव आ गया, फिर सारे कट हो गए
अर्जुन बोल रहे सारे कट हो गए.
और मुझे मैं लिख भी रहा था और कुछ लिखा, मुझे कुछ समझ में नहीं आया, इसलिए इनका रिस्पॉन्स नहीं लिख पाया.
ठीक है, चलो कार्तिकी बताओ आपने क्या डिस्कस किया.
I don't think because monkeys want a food and water, and he was living in the forest, and tiger wants meat and all non-veg.
Meat and non.
भैया
Thank you so much. हाँ वैष्णवी.
भैया monkey needs like banana and water, and tiger needs
Tiger needs. Okay, thank you so much Vaishnavi for sharing that. Okay, so I got the responses basically from every group. ठीक है, क्या क्या discussion किया आपने. So it's great. Most of you are on the same page and most of you got it right. So quickly we are going to look at what is your textbook saying. ठीक है, we are going to see whether whatever we learned and whatever knowledge we applied, right? So what we learned about the knowledge, we learned that basically the animals is going to fulfill its need from its surrounding. ठीक है, वो अपने surrounding से fulfill करेगा. तो उसको हमने अप्लाई किया एक्टिविटी में, और हम देखते हैं अभी जो बुक में आपके लिखा है वो चीज हमारे आंसर से मैच हो रही है कि नहीं. So basically what is your book saying? Book is saying that animals like monkeys and squirrels live on trees, right? Animals like monkeys and squirrels live on trees. So this is what we saw in the video also and you discussed in group. ठीक है, monkey जो था वो tree पे रह रहा था, tree पे कैसे भाग रहा था एक जगह से दूसरी जगह. ठीक है, so it gives them certain advantages. ठीक है, now why is it living on tree? Because it gives them certain advantages. Okay, being at height they are better able to defend themselves from their enemies. ठीक है, अब trees क्या होते हैं, लंबे लंबे हाइट पे होते हैं, तो वो अपने enemies से खुद को बचा पाते हैं, राइट. अब उसका monkey का enemy क्या कौन है? monkey का enemy tiger है. तो कैसे एक जगह से दूसरी जगह monkey was jumping around. ठीक है, monkey was chasing tiger and it was able to defend itself. ठीक है, it was not scared, आराम से he was able to defend itself. So this tree is giving him advantage. So how is he fulfilling his need of not being eaten and being able to defend itself? It is taking help from its surrounding and it is taking help from its tree, right? Now what else it is doing besides that? They can eat fruits of the trees to satisfy their hunger. Now it needs to eat, right? It needs to eat in order to survive, so it can eat the fruits which are there on the tree to basically kill its hunger and to able to survive, right? So the animals which are living on trees, they are called arboreal. Okay, they are called arboreal. Sorry, not arboreal. This is arboreal. Arboreal, right? So these animals which are living on trees, they are called arboreal. So this is the term which you will have to remember. Okay, great. So now when these monkeys are jumping around, what they do, what do they do? They eat the fruit and the seed, they scatter it over here and there. ठीक है, इसने कोई फ्रूट खाया तो उसका सीड ये जब एक पेड़ से दूसरे पेड़ पे कूद रहा है तो ये आसपास गिरा देगा. तो इससे क्या होगा, जब वो सीड goes into the soil, then that seed will grow into a whole grown plant. So this way it is helping plants also to grow, right? It is taking food from the plant, but in return it is helping the plants to reproduce, right? It is spreading the seeds here and there, and when the seeds goes into the soil, the plant is able to grow, right? So this is what it is written over here. As they move around here and there in the surroundings, they spread the seeds that they have eaten through their droppings, right? So now let's quickly look at what is happening with tiger. How is tiger fulfilling its needs? So a tiger has stripes. A tiger lies in and wait for its prey among tall grasses. So जैसा कि we all observed in the video also, a tiger has long stripes. ठीक है, ये gray stripes है. So इसकी help से what it does, it is able to hide. It is able to hide in the forest. So we saw in the video also that once the monkey came down, what did tiger do? It hid himself behind the tree, and it was waiting for the monkey to sit idle, and it attacked the monkey. So the monkey was lucky that it quickly jumped off the tree, but at times animals are not so lucky, and this is how a tiger is able to hunt other animals and is able to hide, right, and is able to fulfill its hunger. So where is it getting its food from? It is also getting from its surroundings. Okay, now it is a carnivorous, so it will eat other animals. So this is how he is eating and ensuring its survival. So what else is written over here? When the tiger is hungry, it can feed on them. Okay, it can feed on the animals, right, by hiding and by attacking them. So for a tiger, there also needs to be a water hole nearby. So how he will ensure that he is not thirsty, right? Basically, उसको पानी भी चाहिए जिंदा रहने के लिए. So nearby he will find some water hole, ठीक है, which never dries up, so that he is able to drink a large amount of water for survival. And also there must be dense vegetation, there must be tall grasses and caves. ठीक है, there must be caves. Caves means क्या? गुफाएं. ठीक है, जहाँ पे टाइगर जाके रह सकता है, जहाँ पे वो शेल्टर ले सकता है. अब मंकी का क्या है? मंकी तो पेड़ पे रह रहा है, पेड़ पे सो जाएगा. अब टाइगर पेड़ पे जा नहीं सकता, तो टाइगर को क्या चाहिए? टाइगर को गुफाएं चाहिए. ठीक है, टाइगर नीड्स caves to survive. So what is it that we are concluding from all these things which we learned? Basically, different animals, different needs. Again, we are back to the same thing which we learned, that different animals have different needs and they will fulfill it from their surroundings. They will fulfill it from their surroundings. Monkey is fulfilling it from trees, and tiger is fulfilling from different things which are available in its surrounding. So if everybody is clear, give me a thumbs up, and if anybody has any doubt, then raise your hands. Okay, I can see most of you are clear. They are giving a thumbs up. Arjun is not Arjun. Omkar is raising his hand. Yes, Omkar, go ahead.
Yeah, the tiger, he is a strips black. The tiger have the
Omkar, if you have any doubt, then you can ask. If you are clear, you just need to give a thumbs up. Great. So everybody is clear. So now we'll ask someone to quickly summarize. So let's ask Sanskruti to quickly summarize the entire thing which we learned in today's class. Sanskruti, switch on your video and quickly summarize. Sanskruti. Sanskruti, quickly.
Yes.
जल्दी से समराइज करो क्या क्या पढ़ा हमने.
Animals like monkeys and squirrels on trees, it give their current.
Okay, Sanskruti, in the interest of time, I'm going to stop you there. So great. I think that everybody is clear. Okay. So mostly people were able to understand. So for doubts, people can raise their hand. I saw Samruddhi raising her hand. Samruddhi, yes.
No, by mistake it happened.
By mistake it happened. So did all of you enjoy today's class? We saw different animals and their different needs. We saw animals from so large and so huge length and size like blue whale, to animals which are so small and tiny like butterfly. Then we saw animals who are jumping around on trees like like monkeys, then animals who are living on land and who are predators who want to hunt like tigers. So basically we saw about different animals and different needs. So that was whole of an exciting class. I really enjoyed today's class. Did all of you enjoy today's class?
Yes, buddy.
Yes,
Okay. So with that, our today's class is over. All of you go to the chat box and type your first name and last name. Once you are done with that, you can drop off. Bye everybody. Thank you so much for joining in. हाँ अभी जो
आपने व्हाट्सएप पे डाला ना विनर कौन हुआ वो मुझे समझ में नहीं आया कौन विनर हुआ
एक एक करके रुशाली विनर जो है वो बेसिकली 5 क्वेश्चन थे, तो 5 क्वेश्चन के जितने आंसर्स आए थे करेक्ट, वो उन आंसर्स के बेसिस पे विनर अनाउंस हुआ है, ठीक है। तो
आज का विनर,
हाँ आज का विनर मैं अभी अनाउंस कर दूंगा थोड़ी देर में, ठीक है। यस वैष्णवी, वैष्णवी गो अहेड। Do you have any doubt? Yes, you have any doubt? Yes.
भैया व्हाट इज क्लास
कौन सी क्लास कह रहे हो आप? वैष्णवी दीदी की क्लास कितने बजे है? 7 बजे है, 7 से 8 बजे। आज शाम को है
भैया।
ओके भैया,
पीडीएफ भेजने वाले हो ग्रुप पे?
हाँ भेज दूंगा मैं पीडीएफ। अरे आप लोग लिख नहीं रहे हो क्या? जो भी मैं भेज रहा हूँ वो उसको लिखा करो, लिखने की प्रैक्टिस होगी उससे आपकी।
ओके भैया,
ओके भैया। तो मैंने
अभी यूनिट टेस्ट में भी ना, यूनिट टेस्ट में आई सॉ दैट यू आर एबल टू सॉल्व मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस, ठीक है। जो भी टिक मारने वाले क्वेश्चन है वो फटाफट सभी कर दे रहे हैं, जहाँ पे लिखना पड़ा है वहां पे कुछ भी लिख रहे हैं, मतलब लिटरली आंसर्स में इतने आई सॉ सम ऑफ द रियली फनी आंसर्स। देयर वाज वन क्वेश्चन, व्हाई बटरफ्लाई एंड कैटरपिलर आर डिफरेंट, एंड सम ऑफ यू रोट बिकॉज दे आर डिफरेंट। ना द क्वेश्चन वाज बटरफ्लाई और कैटरपिलर क्यों अलग है, और उसका आंसर लिख रहे क्योंकि वो अलग है ना। वाह क्या आंसर है। मतलब ऐसे आंसर्स मत लिखा करो एग्जाम में, ठीक है। मतलब ऐसे
yesterday there was a question that has 6 numbers.
हाँ so 6 digit का आपको खुद सोचना था। Were you able to figure that out, समृद्धि?
मैंने yesterday को
the 6th number is lakh.
Yes, the 6th number is lakh.
Yes, lakhs, I know, but I was confused in that. After that, 2 numbers, I was confused in that.
See, what was the Mahamantra which I gave you yesterday?
Nightel भैया.
212, right? 212, right? So for 6 digit numbers, what will happen? For 6 digit number, when lakh is coming, then what will happen?
No.
212.
212 पहले ही हो गया, अब उसके बाद एक नंबर और बच रहा है, तो वो अल्टीमेटली एक ही नंबर होगा ना। सो उसको आप एज अ सेपरेट नंबर अंडरलाइन करोगे तो क्या बन गया सीक्वेंस? 2121 बना, ठीक है। तो अब सिंपली आप उस नंबर को उठाओ उस पोजीशन से, अब उसकी प्लेस वैल्यू क्या है? लाख है, राइट। तो एक जो नंबर बचा, मान लो वहां पे 1 है, तो वहां पे सिंपली क्या हो जाएगा आपका आंसर? 1 लाख हो जाएगा। उसके बाद वहां पे जो बाकी के जो 2 डिजिट्स होंगे, मान लो अगर 20 है वहां पे, तो वो 20,000 हो जाएगा, एंड बाकी का वैसे ही फॉलो हो जाएगा। अब उसके बाद अब मान लो एक और डिजिट आ गया, तब क्या हो जाएगा फॉर्मूला हमारा?
10 lakh.
ब्रेकअप कैसे होगा नंबर का? 2 1 2 एंड 2 के बाद फिर से 1 या 2? 1 या 2? 2 आएगा ना, 2 आएगा ना, समझ गए? कोई डाउट है? ठीक है। चलो everybody, bye, take care.
Naruto.